If your iPhone camera is blurry, won't focus, or keeps refocusing, here's how to fix it and get your sharp shots back. First, clean the camera lens. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to gently wipe the lens. Fingerprints, smudges, or dust are the most common reasons for blurry photos. Next, try removing your case. Some cases or magnetic accessories can block or interfere with the camera focus. Take the case off and try again, especially if the blur happens on wide or macro shots. After that, restart your iPhone. Restarting clears out temporary bugs. Hold the side button plus volume up, then slide to power off. Turn it back on and check the camera. Next, tap to focus. While using the camera app, tap directly in the object you want in focus. You will see a yellow box that locks the focus on your target. And to stop camera from refocusing again and again, tap and hold on the subject until AE/AF lock appears. This freezes both focus and exposure, helping avoid constant shifts. After that, try updating iOS. And for that, go to your settings app, then tap on General. After that, go into Software Update and install the latest version. Camera bugs are often fixed in updates. Next, try resetting all settings. If the camera is still acting up, go back to the General Settings menu and scroll all the way down. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then go into Reset and choose Reset All Settings from the options. This keeps your data but resets all preferences. And if it's still blurry, it could be a hardware issue, like a misaligned lens or damaged camera module. In that case, contact Apple support or visit a service center. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.